Hey guys, how's it going? We're gonna make some radicchio and escarole salad with honey mustard vinaigrette. This is a versatile dish. It can be used as a side or a main dish. Let's get started. First with the radicchio, we're gonna cut that in half and remove the not so fresh outside leaf. Then slice this into quarters and then take out that hard core at the bottom. And we're just going to slice this in half again. For the escarole, we're going to slice off that bottom part and then you can cut it into as big pieces as you would like. And I'm going to slice some green onions that I'm going to forget to put on the dish later as a garnish. Dice up some chicken here. This is completely optional. If you want it as a side dish, you can leave out the chicken. So onto the dressing. I'm using an immersion stick blender here. You can use a real blender or a whisk. I'm going to mix together some honey, Dijon mustard, some champagne vinegar. Red wine or sherry vinegar will work fine as well. Some olive oil, we're going to want about 2/3 olive oil to 1/3 vinegar. Some salt, some pepper, and we can blend that up. Let me give it a taste and make some minor adjustments. Taste that again. Wow, that's good. We're going to toast some pecans here on a pan on medium heat. Be sure to keep them moving as they will burn very quickly. And you can tell when they're done when they are hot to the touch on top. Next up, we're going to assemble our salad. We have our washed greens. Be sure to wash these if they do not come pre-washed. Our vinaigrette. Give that a toss before anything else. Then the diced chicken, again optional. Pecans, dried cranberries. And we're gonna give that a toss and we are ready to plate.